So we got the drive line that goes from the engine shaft to the transmission. We got the drive line off and the transmission coupler. And this is the oil. See how it's running down? It's even getting on this fitting and it's flinging it up against the bed of the cart. So that's the only leak left under here. So there's a shaft. If you look, there's a shaft seal here. I don't know if I have to take this end cap off to replace that or what. I was hoping to not have to take anything apart on the transmission, but whatever we got to do, we got to do. Mail lady is supposed to deliver the new seal today. I was out for delivery. We'll see what we got to do next, if we got to take the end cap off the pump or not. I was hoping not to, but whatever. Does your life ever feel like you're spinning your wheels and not getting anywhere? Like this Toro Workmaster? Yeah, there's times like that. Good for us. In this case, we're just testing the transmission here. We replaced the shaft output seal on the transmission because it was leaking from it. So just warming it up here before I lower it back down. I put it up on these jack stands so it's easier to get under it. So I'm just gonna let it warm up and then I'll crawl under there on a piece of cardboard and make sure the seal is staying dry on the hydrostatic pump. So the shaft between the drive line from the engine and the hydrostatic pump, the shaft seal was leaking, so we just replaced it. So we got a new seal up in here. The new seal is on this part, on the shaft. And we got it all nice and hot. Like if you touch the hoses and stuff, it's all really nice and hot. And the pump's all warm. And it ran for like 5 minutes or 5 minutes or more. Anyways, I ran the wheels back and forth, had it all jacked up. And we got no oil coming out of our seal now. Dude, we got all the oil leaks fixed on this bad boy. There's no more oil leaks in the transmission. The engine is staying dry. See, we had oil, when we originally took the engine out, there was oil running down from that seal. So yeah, this bad boy is leak free. Cool, cool.